Most holding tank odors emanate from waste and tissue caked to the tank walls and sensors, which can be tough to remove. Thankfully, Walex makes a product called Commando, a 1-year supply. Treating your black holding tank every 3 months keeps the tank walls clear of buildup and the sensors functioning smoothly. Commando is not only essential for maintaining a healthy tank, but it is also a powerful quick fix for common holding tank problems, such as false sensor readings and residual odor on tank walls. To use Commando, empty your tank, rinse or flush it out thoroughly, drop 1 packet in, fill it with water above the sensors, and let the enzymes go to work. Wait for a minimum of 12 to 24 hours. You can even leave it in longer for more troublesome issues. In this lab test, we compared Commando's effectiveness in breaking down paper against a competitor and a control group. We first dropped in the packet. Then we added water. And then we dropped in 40 sheets of toilet paper. 24 hours later, we poured 20 ounces of water in the tank to simulate a flush. You can see how Commando completely broke down the toilet paper. After 1 packet, your tank is good as new. Commando is septic system safe, campground friendly, biocide free, and formaldehyde free. Commando goes the distance, creating a hassle-free and comfortable camping trip. For more information on Commando or any of Walex's other RV sanitation products, please visit our website or follow us on Instagram.